Japanese often make these mistakes when they write or speak English. They have not learned the pattern well. For example, Japanese will write, "What do you like sport?" or "What do you like food?" But the correct pattern is, "What sports do you like? What food do you like?" Yes, understanding the correct sentence structure in English can be challenging for Japanese speakers due to differences in grammatical patterns between the two languages. Let's delve into common mistakes and correct patterns, particularly in question formation with what. Incorrectly, one might say, "What do you like sport?" The correct form should be, "What sports do you like?" To explain in English the question word, what is followed by the noun sports, and then the verb phrase, "do you like?" Now, let's look at using the correct order of adjectives and nouns. Incorrectly, someone might say, "He is a teacher good." However, the correct expression is, "He is a good teacher." To clarify, in English, adjectives typically come before the nouns they describe. Let's talk about verb and subject agreement. Often learners might say, "She go to school." However, the correct form is, "She goes to school." In English, verbs must agree with their subjects in number and tense. Now, let's focus on the use of articles. For example, you might hear someone say, "I have dog." The correct sentence is, "I have a dog." In English, singular nouns usually need an article, like a or the. Moving on to prepositions, a common mistake is saying, "I will meet you on Sunday." The correct preposition here is on, so it should be, "I will meet you on Sunday." Remember, use on for days of the week. Here are some tips specifically for Japanese learners. First, practice common patterns. Repetitively practicing common sentence structures can help internalize the correct patterns. Next, read and listen to English regularly. Exposure to correct English through reading and listening to native speakers can help learners get used to the natural flow of the language. Also, engage in grammar and vocabulary exercises. These are specifically designed to highlight common mistakes and correct them. Lastly, try language exchange and speaking practice. Practicing with native speakers or in a language exchange setting can provide immediate feedback and correction. Let's try some example exercises. Exercise 1, sentence correction. Correct the following sentences. He like apples. What do you like drink? I am reading book. She is a woman, beautiful. We go to park in Saturday. The answers are, he likes apples. What drinks do you like? I am reading a book. She is a beautiful woman. We go to the park on Saturday. Exercise 2, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. What sports do you like? He is a good teacher. They goes to the beach every summer. I have the cat. We will meet you in on Tuesday. The answers are, what sports do you like? He is a good teacher. They go to the beach every summer. I have a cat. We will meet you on Tuesday. By focusing on these common patterns and practicing regularly, Japanese learners can improve their English sentence structure and reduce errors.